Good morning, and let's tell you about the top 5 stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Well, we begin then with Vedanta, as the Anil Agarwal-led company has raised the open offer price for buying shares. This is in its flagship Indian firm to 235 rupees per share. That's nearly 4% higher than the current or the last traded price. Remember, it was in the month of January that Vedanta had offered to buy up to 10% stake in Vedanta Ltd, that's Vedanta Resources in Vedanta Ltd at 160 rupees a piece. On Tuesday, they raised their offer price to 235 and the offer size to 651 million shares, which represents 17.5% stake in Vedanta Ltd. And we'll be watching out for this candidate in today's trading session. A whole host of other stocks to keep an eye out on. You have Dalmia Bharat Group of stocks, as the Supreme Court has ordered IL&FS Securities to release the mutual fund units worth 344 crore rupees to the Dalmia Bharat Group. The instruments that the cement maker had claimed were stolen by the Allied Financial Services, or AFS, in 2019. Now, while directing the release of the mutual fund units, the Apex Court also told Dalmia Bharat to furnish the bank guarantees of equivalent amounts until the completion of the trial. So we'll have to watch out for that stock in trade. Earlier, though, in an interim order, the Supreme Court had given the option to Dalmia Bharat to encash the mutual funds held by ISSL and keep the funds in a fixed deposits in the name of ISSL for 6 months. They did not exercise that option, and as such, ISSL continues to hold the stolen mutual fund units. Meantime, keep an eye out on SBI cards as well as US private equity fund CA Rover Holdings, which is essentially an affiliate of Carlyle Asia Partners. They're looking to sell the 4% stake in SBI cards and payment services worth $514 million, or about 3,728 crore rupees. This is going to be via a block deal, according to the term sheet. Now, with nearly 970% returns over the last 4 years, the SBI card investment would be the best exit by a PE fund on an Indian investment, and that trumps even Warburg Pincus's exit of Bharti Airtel, which had sparked the boom time of private equity in India. The sale price, 981.8 to 1,022 a piece, which is about 3.9% lower than the closing price. Godrej Properties has raised close to 3,749 via the QIP route. They've approved the issue. The issue price is 1450 rupees per share against the floor price of 1513 rupees, aggregating to about 3749 crore rupees pursuant to the issue. So watch out for that stock. And finally, BEML has received export orders from Cameroon and Bangladesh under the Government of India lines of credit. This is for 71 construction equipment consisting bulldozers, excavators, compactors, etc. And it's valued at around $23 million and have nearly over 90% indigenous content and will be manufactured at their Mysore plants in Karnataka, which signifies the spirit of Atmanirbhar.